let's make. Today we're going to be making a strawberry banana smoothie. And, well, let's see our ingredients. Oh, wait, and watch out for the brother. He is very mean and he's weird. Okay, so our ingredients will be a cutting board, because your parents probably don't want you cutting on the table. That would ruin the table. A blender, and a blender cup, like so it slides in, and stuff like that. A top for it. And we're gonna need strawberries, bananas, ice cubes, and milk. Okay, let's start. So we're gonna start off by peeling the bananas.
Oh, hey, Maker, what you making? A smoothie? Here, have some chocolate chips.
No, this is a healthy smoothie.
So chocolate chips?
No, it's healthy.
Oh, you know these are no fun.
By the way, that's the brother. He's so weird.
We're back.
Yeah, I know, see? He's weird. So, just start slicing the banana. Make sure you don't cut yourself. So, make sure there's parent supervision while you cut. And if you're 3 and under, I suggest let your parents do this part. And then, now peel this one. And I suggest 2 bananas, not 1, since I ripped it. Since it needs to have more flavor. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so now that the bananas are in, we're gonna start cutting the strawberries. Boop, boop. And make sure the strawberries are nice and juicy. So it gets the flavor. So you get more flavor from the strawberry. Like I warmed these ones up, so that's why they're warm and it gets the flavor out. So I suggest to warm them up first. Microwave for 30 seconds, I suggest. So yeah. And now that we're almost done with this, this in. Make sure to wash your hands after that. Okay. So now we're gonna add a dash of milk. Not too much, or else it'll taste weird. See, about that much, like an inch. Yeah, an inch. Then I'll put on the top and blend it. And then after it's not too much, after it's not that much like this, we're gonna add, okay, don't forget to plug the thing in. And then after we blend this one a little bit, we're gonna add some ice cubes. Okay, get ready. Oh, come on. Oh, it's probably not hooked. Okay, I need my dad to help me. I'll hold it. What did I do wrong? Oh, I'm weird. Here you go, Daddy. And then now, yay! Yay! I'm gonna add some ice cubes. Don't add too much, or else you won't have that much flavor. So I suggest like 5 ice cubes, and then put the cap back on. Make sure you blend it, or else it'll taste weird. And then I suggest like you go like this when you blend it. Okay, now it's time to test it. Okay. Needs more strawberry. Let's add more strawberry. So you can add how much of whatever you think it needs more. Since you know how I added 2 bananas, well now I just need more strawberries. Since 2, yeah, that's good enough. Right, and here, wash my hands. And before you start the smoothie, I suggest you wash your hands, or else it'll be germy. And you don't want germs in your smoothie, right? And now make sure it's nice and hooked on. I know, Dad. I know. And then you go like this and hook. Okay, give me some. Okay, now. Why is it so hard? I'll hold it again. Okay, here you go. So then now blend it. And now make sure nothing's at the top. Okay, that's good. And now let's try it. You see this, brother? This is a healthy smoothie.
Flip you, I got my chocolate chips.
And thanks for watching Let's Make. Like the video and subscribe. If we get 100 subscribers, I will make a 7-layered cake. And make sure to comment what I should make next.